Ready to pop some holes? So today we're testing out Kennametal's HPR drill. This is a great drill for cast iron. It was designed for cast iron, but today we're going to be testing it out in copper. So we're going to be drilling 550 holes into this piece of material to test this tool out. If you find yourself in a pinch and you have these drills that are specifically for cast iron, you actually can use them for copper. It may not be the ideal method, but the tool does work. So some of the features of this tool that are really cool are that they have a patented corner radius design on them. So what that patented corner radius does is gives you really long tool life and excellent hole quality. It also prevents chipping as the drill exits the material. This tool also has the patented HPR point thinning. This gives you excellent self-centering of the tool and excellent hole straightness with very low thrust. This tool also has double margin lands, which are great for cross holes and inclined exits and gives your tool excellent stability. Another feature of this tool that's really great and what makes us think it might be great for copper too is it has highly polished flutes. What the ultra highly polished flutes do is they give you less friction and better chip evacuation. So there can be a lot of variation in copper. You know, I've run a lot of different types of copper before and a lot of it reacts really differently. Copper can be really abrasive and gummy at the same time, and sometimes it's really hard to keep it from sticking to the flutes of your tool. Copper's also super notorious for pushing really bad burrs out of the back of your part. So even though we're using a 3 times diameter drill here, copper is a super soft and gummy material, so sometimes it can be hard to break a chip. In those cases, we'd recommend using a PEX cycle. We've got 312 pins here and 313. So in the first hole, the 312 goes. Last hole, 312 goes. First hole, the 313 pin will not go. Last hole, it will not go. So what this tells me is if you have a tolerance of 1,000 or so, you can easily go 550 or more holes before you have any problems. So I hope you guys learned something today. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.